Hi. Today we are going to see what are the on-page elements and what do you want to do with your landing page and how to optimize it so it can be searched organically and get revenue. So here I am going to show you the example. For example, we will say that web development in Houston. This is our primary keyword, right? So we are going to use it for our SEO title, which will show in the SEO result like this. If you copy paste and you just enter it, see these are your titles. These are your meta titles. So what we are going to do is we are going to optimize your SEO title by using this, and we are also gonna need your meta description. Like it's gonna tell us what your page is all about, and like need web developer in Houston, your web design, your SEO friendly and responsibly, and secondary. This is going to show between your main headline, your taglines, as you can see in the search results. And for you, like you are going to set a URL slug, which is also an important SEO element, on page element, and you are just going to enter your primary keyword, which is web development Houston TX. Then we are going to use a canonical tag, which is your website. Actually the canonical tag tells us that what is your preferred web version which you want search engine to index. So and you just set your robot tags to index and follow so that search engine can find it. Your primary keyword is web development in Houston, and your secondary keywords are Houston web design, custom web development Houston, and Houston website developers. And now we are going to say the layout of your own page. First, there is title tag, then there is meta description, then there is a schema called breadcrumb, then your H1 heading, your hero image, your intro paragraph, why choose us, service, process, internal links, testimonial, fax schema. So here we are going to start with the breadcrumbs, uh, your home, your web development, and your Houston. This shows your proper silos. Then we are going to start your on-page content, which is we are going to use H1 professional web development in Houston, Texas, and here is the content which is organized. And here we are going to put a CTA button of get a free consultation. Then we are going to use this H2 like in custom web development 7 in Houston, and now you are going to tell them about your landing page, your services, what you are going to provide service in Houston. And after that you will be writing down the content H2, why Houston business choose us. So here it is, and here you are going to list down all the things which you are offering, like mobile first development, core web vitals, SEO friendly, secure HTTPS, CMS training, and local business experience. Now, for the industry we serve, like your healthcare, your legal, home services, manufacturing, science, professional service, restaurant, and education. And our process, you are going to tell them about your discovery, your planning, your UI UX design, your development, your SEO optimization, your QA testing, launch, and ongoing support. And later on you will be telling them about your internal links, your SEO service, your local SEO, your website maintenance, your portfolio, your contact. You are going to interlink all of these pages into your blog or into your content. Then comes your image optimization. Just use an image with a file name of your keyword. Here we are using web development Houston, and don't use JPEG for speed optimization. Always use WebP format for speed optimization, and your alt text, which is like going to tell us what is your page about, and your user web development team and responsive services. Next, we are going to use FAQ, and we frequently ask questions, and we are just going to take some research, and we are going to putting them on our own page. You can also add your cost and service charges or hourly charges in this FAQs. Then we have local business information systems like your business name, your address, your phone number, and your working business hour. And most importantly, for author, like who this content is written by, you have to include also your author profile as well, and later you can add your schemas such as local services, breadcrumb list, fake, and organization. And finally, in the final CTA, you will be like ready to grow your business online. Contact us here for a free consultation. So this is all about there the on page and you're optimizing your landing page. And see you in next video. Thank you.